Every microsecond, every cell in your body is converting food to usable energy in order to run the chemical processes of your body. The primary source of the cell's energy is a chemical called adenosine triphosphate, ATP. Your body literally makes and consumes an amount of ATP equivalent to the entire weight of your body each day. This ATP is then converted into the various chemicals and compounds needed to keep your body operating. So where does all this ATP come from? Inside the mitochondria, with each of our over 10 trillion cells, are little spinning molecular motors that operate at close to 99.99% efficiency. By the way, gasoline motors operate at about 35% efficiency. These ATP generating motors are so small that 100,000 of them would have to be lined up end to end to reach across 1 millimeter. And they spin at 1,000 RPM while spewing out ATP molecules. But where do those motors come from? These motors are made using information coming from the DNA molecule. In order to open the DNA molecule, energy from ATP is needed. In order to make the ATP, the motor is needed. The information needed to make the motors in the DNA, the information needed to make the motors in DNA, the information needed to make the motors is in DNA. It takes motors ATP to open the DNA, but we can't make the APT unless the information on how to make the motor is provided. Complicated, isn't it? All the parts, processes, and instructions needed to be present and fully functioning from the mitochondria beginning. The more we learn about the operation of our bodies, the more we see an incredibly intelligent designer made every cell within our bodies. Psalm 145. My mouth will speak in praise of the Lord, and let all flesh bless his holy name forever and ever. Psalm 145:21. April 5th of Explore the World, Knowing God Exists by Observing Creation by Bruce Malone, Julie Von Vett, and Richard and Tina Kleiss.